Hey, here's a quick tip from our online course, The Art of Speech Writing.
So, what makes a good speech? Look, the number one thing is this. Is the audience included in your speech, or is it purely for yourself? You would know a good speech always has this one word in, you. It's very outward focused rather than inward focused, I. The second thing that makes a good speech is that it is a bit lighthearted and the right tone and feel specifically geared and designed for the audience. And the third one is where it flows, it actually connects. It doesn't jump around and it's waffling and people have to come to their own conclusion. It's clear and concise. The last thing that makes a good speech is when it is well rehearsed, it's delivered with confidence, and it actually helps the audience.
I hope you found that tip helpful. Look, if you are ready to go to the next level in speech writing, click on the link in the description where you will get instant access on the course on the art of speech writing.